People say I don't talk. I don't talk. I don't talk. To worry people. The Itsekiri voted for me. The Ijaw voted for me. The Urhobo voted for me. They love me. You want me to come and talk? Talk what? What do you want me to say? In all, what we need is unity. We have seen crisis. I have witnessed crisis. I make sure I'm in good terms with everybody. When I don't speak, people don't know why I don't speak. I've witnessed it. Do we still want that in worry? No. And people are using social media to cause crisis. Our children, talk to them. They use social media, they can lie, and so different things, so bad seed. I don't want that. Don't fear. You don't do that. I want to develop this worry. They called me, said, look, in Abuja, I said, this matter, what do I say I don't have to say? What I have to say is for us to have peace here. I don't want problem. Please, our leaders, our elders, this worry, they sweet me for body. If you like, you know, sometimes you will have home in abroad. Your children will come and take you and go to abroad. I don't have any other home. This is the only way I have. And when I was contesting, I told people that I'm a man with street credibility and local content. I'm not diaspora, local, with them here. And they gave me the vote. It's not true. Now that I'm a governor, and I said I'm a governor for all. You want to take side? I don't do that. I will not do that. Why will I do that? Pray for peace in worry. We want peace in worry. You have showed me love. And I'll continue to show that as love. I'll continue to respect my leaders. And I said, it's all inclusive. And I want to do more for Deltans. I don't want to fail.